Why do 90% of us feel overwhelmed by the smallest tasks? Here's my story of conquering one dishwasher cycle at a time. At my lowest, even getting out of bed felt like climbing Everest. Therapy was my lifeline. 1 week, I had nothing to say. "What are you struggling with?" my therapist asked. I said, "Life." He probed deeper. "What's overwhelming you right now?" "Honestly, the dishes." I felt stupid admitting it. I couldn't stand the thought of scrubbing them before loading the dishwasher. My therapist nodded and said, "Run the dishwasher twice." I started to object, but he stopped me. "Why not? If it helps, do it. Rules don't exist." Mind blown. I went home, chucked the dishes in, and ran it 3 times. I felt like I'd slain a dragon. The next day I showered lying down. A few days later I folded laundry without any rules. Now I'm healthier. I rinse dishes, stand in the shower, sort laundry. But when life felt impossible, I learned an important lesson. There are no rules. Run the dishwasher twice. Credit Tilda Kate Scott.